like a lot of ketchup. If there's no fries, I just eat the ketchup. This burger, and I don't like that there's pickles. Sometimes I eat them. Sometimes I don't eat them. It's just a little bit weird. So hi guys, before I played games, but now I'm gonna make a review on my food. My mom just bought some McDonald's and I'm having a voice crack. And my mom bought Hershey's, McFLURRY and 2 double cheeseburgers and fries. Large fries. Now I'm gonna open my cheeseburger. Oh, my bag. It's a double. I'm gonna test these out, like how it tastes like. Tastes good. My mom put salt in this. So this is the fries. I like fries like this because they taste nice, and I like a lot of ketchup. If there's no fries, I just eat the ketchup. I dip it around the whole fry, and I put it inside my mouth. So that's how I eat fries. This is the latest McFlurry. There's lots of chocolate ice cream inside. Even it looks like Milo dinosaur because of the powder. Not much, but tastes like Oreo. This is my double cheeseburger. I like the fact that there's so much cheese in this burger, and I don't like that there's pickles. Sometimes I eat them. Sometimes I don't eat them. It's just a little bit weird. So I'm gonna take a bite of this. I like that it's very juicy and stuff. It gives me lots of fat, but I still like it. Now I'm eating my fries. Don't always eat this. I don't usually eat this, but it tastes a lot good. So just eat carrots and potatoes. That's vegetables. Bye.